How to log in Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log into Cash App, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to log into Cash App, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and just make sure to launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you're going to see this type of interface where you can simply use your phone number or your email address to sign in. If you have a phone number, you can enter your phone number here. If you have an email, tap on the use email option and just go ahead and make sure to enter your email address here, and then just tap the next option. Once you've done that, on the next specific page it is going to ask us to simply enter the verification code that was sent to this email. So we're going to simply go ahead and check whether we have received any sort of verification code from our email application over here. So let me also go ahead and then find it respectively as well. I'm going to open my email, and then at the very top you can see I have received a verification code. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this code over here, and then I'm just going to come back in this case, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paste the code, tap on the next option, and I'll be successfully signed into my Cash App account. This way I can basically sign into my Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.